What's up everyone? Today we have the Sony WH-1000XM5. I got these for a lot cheaper than normal price on Woot, which is owned by Amazon, I believe. But it's kind of like a clearance site essentially. So normally they're what? Just search this up real quick. I should have this info ready before I start the video, but whatever. I have this tester Mac behind me. Always good to leave in the studio. Okay, so normally $380. I got them for the low price of what, $290 something with taxes, like $320 around there. Anyway, it's a lot cheaper than normal price. Alright, I can tell the packaging is supposed to be like sustainable, recycled material and stuff like that. And that's good, because people throw away the packaging anyway. So they want to give you a free trial of like a music service or something. Do not wear the headphones in the shower. Do not wash the headphones. Do not get the headphones wet. Do not sweat on the headphones. Okay, cool. Those are the you know, health and safety warnings. Now that we got through that, put that aside. I think the headphones are in here. I got these ones in black color. And here's the bottom of the case. Alright. Nice. It's got a padded case that fits these headphones. Let's see. Infinitely adjustable height adjustment, or whatever you call that. It's infinitely adjustable, so there's no notches, so it'll fit people's heads of all sizes. Good amount of swivel, obviously, because it needs to fold. And good amount of tilt as well, so I'd say that's good. How do you turn them on? There's a button at the bottom for power and Bluetooth, and then there's one for noise cancelling or ambient mode, I think. Alright, so does it get a charging cable? Oh, in here, okay. So in here, in the front, you get a little door that opens. And here, I believe this is the 3.5mm cable, so when you plug them into, say, something that doesn't have Bluetooth. And then a very short charging cable. 6-inch or 3-inch on it? Yeah, it looks about 6 inches, USB-A to USB-C cable. Plug this end into your computer, the other end to the headphone. Yeah. Or if you have a USB charging station, charging brick, like the same one you charge your iPhone with or something, then do that. Although it'd be a little more generous if they could include a longer cable. But that's the unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM5. Sony's arguably best wireless headphones right now. So that's what you get in the box. There's the headphones. On the bottom of each headphone, just wanted to say there's the USB-C charging port and the 3.5mm jack for when you plug into a non-Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.